Hi, I'm Nishant and welcome to this new video tutorial of Akeneo. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out our new module, that's Akeneo History Management module. Now using this particular module, the admin of the Akeneo would be able to restore the previously changed data of the products in Akeneo there. So what will happen is that if there are any changes that have been made to the product information, all of those information would be visible under the Manage History tab of the products there. To restore the data or the previously changed data there, what you can do is you can tap on the Restore History button that is available there on the particular version under the Manage History section there. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out the workflow there of how to restore the data that has been changed in the product attributes. Apart from that, we'll also be seeing how an image, if deleted, can be restored back and how the associations can also be restored back. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop on to the Akeneo backend panel and let's see how we can restore the product attributes and how we can delete an image and how we can restore that up as well. Apart from that, how we'll be able to add the associations to a product, and after adding it, how we can check the history there, and if the associations are deleted, how we can restore the associations as well. So for the same, let's hop on to the Akeneo backend panel now. So right now you can see that I'm at the Akeneo backend panel right now. So what I'll be doing is I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username or email and the password and tapping on the login button thereafter. Now after we have successfully logged into the admin backend panel, what I'll be doing is the very first thing that I want to show you is the Manage History section that we get on the product page there, where we can check the changes that have been made to the product attributes or to the associations of the products there, and how we can restore those backups as well. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to the product section, and here what I'll be doing is I'll be opening one product. For example, let's open this bag product, and if I open this bag product, here on the product information or the product navigation section, under the product navigation section, you can see that we have one Manage History section. So if I go to the Manage History section, here you can see that the different versions along with the authors, their login time and date, along with the modifications that they have done are visible. And here we have the option to restore the old data as well. So for example, for John Doe, for example, if I tap here, you can see that the category old value was this and the new old value was master underscore accessories under bags. If I want to restore this old data, I can tap here on the restore old data there. Now let's make a few changes to the product there, and then let's come down back to the Manage History section, and then let's tap on the restore old data to check how this particular plugin works there. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to the attribute section, and here what I'll be doing is I'll be changing the name from bag to bag new. Let me copy this up. I'll be assigning a collection to this. I'll be setting up the description. I'll be choosing a brand name here. Let it load up. Let's choose it as Akeneo, and if I want, I can set up the variant name here. Let's change the EAN number as AS in the last. Let's add an SA in the last to the SKU there, and so on and so forth. We can make the changes there. Let's make the weight as 5005, and if you want, you can also add other details as well, or you can make the changes to the other details of the product there as well. Now let's tap here on the save button, and you can see that the product has been successfully updated. Now if we go to the Manage History section, here you can see the version number 4 is there. The author is John Doe, login date is today's date and today's time. The modifications are done to brand, collection, description, EAN, name, SKU, variation, and the weight as well. So if I want to view these data, now here you can see that for the brand I had set it to Akeneo, initially there was no value set for the old value, so that's why no old value is there. But for the EN, initially the EN was this, and I've added AS in the last, and the old value was bag, the new value is bag new. The old SKU was having 71 in the last, I had added SA in the last. Then I had added the new value for the variant name there, and I had changed the weight from 500 to 5005 there. Now for example, now if I go to the attributes once again, the same changes that I've made: bag new, the spring collection, bag new as the what we say as the description there, the brand as Akeneo, the variant name as bag new, the EN number as AS in the last, the SKU is SA in the last is visible there. So the changes are visible there. Now if I want to restore the old data there, what I can do is I can go back to the manage history, go to the particular what we say as the version number 4, the author is John Doe, and here we'll find the restore old data button. So if I tap here on the restore old data, we'll be taken to this particular page where we want to confirm whether we want to restore the particular data or not, and here we'll be tapping on the OK button. After tapping on the OK button, you can see that the product values have been successfully restored. Now if I go to the attributes, you can see the collection has been removed, the description name has been removed, the name is again set as bag, the brand is not there, the variation name is not there, EN number has the last SA been cut out, the old values are restored back, as you can see. So this was in the case when we are talking about the product attributes. Now for example, if I go with the image here, let's delete the image and let's save the product. So you can see that there is no image for this product right now. If I scroll down under the media, you can see that there is no image. Now if I go to the manage history, here I can see the particular what we say as the version number 6, and under the version number 6 you can see that the model picture old value was this and the new value is nothing. If you are updating the value for the image as well, you are updating a new image as well. If you want to restore it back to the previous image there, you can do same by tapping the restore old data button, and the previous image would be restored back. Otherwise, if you have deleted the image and if you want to restore the image, you can do that as well. So let's restore the old data of the model picture there, and let's tap here on the restore old data button. Let's tap OK on the confirmation. As soon as we are done, you can see that the product image is back there. Now if I go to the attributes, if I scroll down to the particular section that says media, the image would be visible there. Similarly, if you have made or you have updated the image of the product there and you want to restore back the old image there, then you will be able to go to manage history, and there you will be able to see the old value and the new value. You can compare those values there for the image, and then you can restore the old data as per your own requirement. Now coming down to the associations, if you want to add some associations to your product, for example, let's add some associations here. So I'll just tap here on the add association, and let me add this belt and this hat to this product. Let's confirm it up. So these two products are the associations to this particular product, that's the belt and the hat, and let's save the product there. After saving the product, we'll be able to see these two associations are there. Now if I go to the manage history, here we'll see the version number 8, as you can see, and for this particular version you can see that we have the old value was nothing, there was no associated products already added there. So the new value that we added were 2 SKUs. Here you can see 2 SKUs separated by a comma there. Now what I can do is if I go to the associations, and for example if I remove one association and I save this product, you can see that we have only one association remaining here. Now if I come back to the manage history section, here as well you can see that the association is only one right now. Under the manage history I can go and I can check the version number 9 here, and you can see that the old value was this and the new value is this. Now if I want to restore the old data, both of the products there or the associations there, what I can do is I can tap here on the restore old data, tap on the OK button, and the particular product values would be successfully restored there. Now if I see here, the associations are being shown as 2, and if I go to the association section, the particular associations would again be displayed and would be restored there. So yes, that was the workflow of the Akeneo history management there, of how the old data can be restored there. Even if you are deleting the images, for example, you can restore them up. If you are updating a new image and if you want to restore the old data or the old image back, you can do that as well by tapping on the restore old data under the manage history section or the tab under the product section there. Apart from that, we also saw how we can make the changes to the attribute values of the products there, and how we can restore the old data back there. And apart from that, we also saw the associations there. If we're adding an association and we are updating the associations there, then we can restore the associations back to the old data as well. So yes, that was much about the plugin there, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.